Make a great choice today with
the 2012 Volt. The Chevy Volt can drive up to 40 miles a day without a drop of gas and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, regenerative braking system, ambient lighting, braking assist, airbags, front knee, multifunction display. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.